wasted, friends all around, faded.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Sarah and I make cleaning videos here on my channel, and I currently post twice a week on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Today's video is part 3 of my spring cleaning series, and today I'm cleaning my bathroom. I usually do a deep clean like that once a month, and I clean all the walls and the ceiling twice a year. The only thing I clean only once a year is the radiator.
Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July underneath the fireworks sky? And I said everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point.
So as you just saw, I started by taking down the shower curtain and I put that in the washer so it's down when I'm done cleaning. And now I'm cleaning the walls and the ceiling, and I'm using my mop for that. When I'm mopping the ceiling, I'm making sure that I'm removing all the cobwebs.
My phone, remind me that I'm on my own and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July underneath the fireworks sky? And I said everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view.
Now I'm moving to the radiator and I'm making sure to dust every single one of those holes on the top because there is just so much dust in here, and after that I will wipe down the whole thing.
And I need you. That's just my point of view. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
Now I'm moving to the bath, and for that I'm using my toilet bowl cleaner because it has bleach in it to make it extra white, and for the tiles I'm using my homemade cleaner, which is vinegar and dish soap mixed with water, and I add few drops of essential oils to reduce the smell of vinegar. Because I used lavender dish soap, I also used lavender essential oil in that one.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith.
Now I will start with the window, and I will also clean the blinds here. I don't know how this window gets so dirty all the time. Those few clips are a little shaky because my boyfriend was filming me. Our bathroom is so small and I have a very hard time positioning the camera. That's why I'm not cleaning it that often in my videos. Plus it's really old, so no matter how hard I try to clean it, it still doesn't look clean enough for me. But I'm still very grateful for it.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
I'm also cleaning the mirrors on this cabinet, but I'm not cleaning in there because it's not much space in there, so it's almost impossible to get messy. And I cleaned it last month when I was cleaning the bathroom, but I will still show you the inside at the end. And after I'm done with that, I will move to the toilet, and I'm going to be using the same two products that I used for the bathtub earlier.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now I'm clearing the shelf area above the sink. I will put things that doesn't belong on there back into the cabinet, and then I will wipe it down with my bathroom cleaner. I will also use my toothbrush that I have for cleaning to clean this crack between the wall and the shelf. I will put everything back at the end and organize it.
Just like the earth beneath fell away, and this blinding flash of memories played before my eyes, and all I saw was you. And all I saw was you.
Unfortunately, I somehow lost the next few clips of me putting the shower curtain back on and mopping, so cleaning the sink is going to be the last thing in this video. I hope you enjoyed this bathroom spring cleaning. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next spring cleaning video. Bye!